Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. For today, very, very quick recipe. Siguro parang it's an idea for something na like as a snack. Siguro kung kakauwi ng mga chikiting ninyo sa bahay, at least ito yung something that you can easily cook, no? I don't know kung nakita nyo na yung fried Oreos sa YouTube ba or sa TikTok. Hindi ko alam, but basically, it's Oreo cookies. Iko-coat mo lang sa pancake mix. So, ganun lang ka-simple. Tapos, i-deep fat fry. It's very rich, pero it's perfect for a snack. So, it's very simple. First thing is, titinan nyo lang yung instructions. Ito, I think this is Maya hot cake mix. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano pine-prefer ninyong mga hot cake mix. But ako, I'm happy with Maya. Kasulat dito, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons oil, 3/4 water. So, we measured it. This is here na, naka-ano na to. What I will do is, let me just crack the egg. Okay. Mix it first with the water. I'll mix first all the liquid. Yeah. Just mixing all the liquid. Yeah. Para lang hindi siya mag-clump up together. Napakadali lang na itong recipe na to. It reminds me of childhood. Parang ganon. But, you know, it's perfect to cook and then serve with ice cream. So, mix it all up. So, I'm just gonna smoothen it out. And if it's smooth, that's the only time I will add the vegetable oil, no? Or any kind of cooking oil, but I'm going to be using vegetable oil. So basically, you just really follow the instructions of the pancake mix, of whatever choice of brand ng pancake mix ninyo. Never ko pa na-try, kunyari, chocolate chip cookies, but ewan ko, baka it might work. Tapos since matamis-tamis na to, may konting tamis, feeling ko masarap din siya. Di ba meron yung brand yung peanut butter cookies na ganyan? Feeling ko masarap din siya. Kasi ako mahilig ako sa peanut butter. But si Len kasi mas mahilig siya sa Oreo lahat. Parang yun yung cookies and cream. Actually, pwede mo rin siyang bumili ng cookies and cream na ice cream. Tapos gamitin mo to as a top. Diba? Like as dessert. So here, if you can see, wala nang lumps. So let me just add 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, and then we go to the pan. So here, I pretty much preheated so the oil's pretty hot. So napakadali lang. Just gonna dip it all. You can fix it. We will just coat it. There you go. It becomes instantly fluffy. Kailangan ba Oreo? Actually, you know, you can do any, like chocolate kind of cookie. I highly think it might work with the peanut butter, but we'll see. So there you go. Then I'm gonna use another tongs. This is my grater, but I'm using it as my strainer. I'm just gonna flip it over. So look at it, it's nice and golden. There you go. I hope may taste testers dumating kasi I'm gaining weight. Ayoko na mag-taste. Fluffy, fluffy. The pancake mix, normally, pwede mo rin gawin sa hotdogs to. Pancake mix. Pwede rin with bananas, actually. Let's see how nice. Fluffy. There you go. Okay. Siyempre, yung mantika na ginamit ko, ano to ha? Reneuse ko lang to. Hindi siya fresh. Here, oh, I don't know if meron kayong ganito, but what I do is, I bought this, parang 70 pesos lang. So, after my oil, I poured it here para matanggal, and then I save it. So, I reuse oil. Mahal. So, kailangan mag-reuse ng oil. Huwag tayo masyadong magastos. Nice, nice, nice. So, napakadali lang, di ba? So, parang perfect lang siya for merienda, di ba? Actually, this could even be, for those who owns restaurant, 1, 2, 3, you can do a plating. Yeah. So, papa-cool down lang natin and then we'll put it here para ma-reuse pa natin yung oil for later. Okay. So, very easy. Here is our fried Oreos. Perfect for merienda. You can even eat it with ice cream. You can eat 3 or 5, depende kung ilang calories gusto mo mag-gain. But, cautious lang to sa mga diabetic ha. Sugar rich to. So, para lang sa mga bata na gustong kumain for merienda. Papataste natin sa bata. Blow mo. Blow. Mainit. Ano? Okay.